Seite Nummer 68, A1, page number 68. Topic is Essen und Getränke, food and drinks, to order them. Yeah, to order food and drinks. Bestellen is to order. Lektion Nummer 6, lesson number 6, or chapter number 6. Im Restaurant. Whenever you want to say in restaurant, then you will have to say im Restaurant. This im is presenting in dem Restaurant. In dem Restaurant. This is the article and this is preposition. Whenever there is a preposition, what happens? Restaurant has article das. Restaurant has article das. And because of preposition, this article das will change into dem. Yeah, der, das, and die. These are the three articles. Whenever the prepositions come before these articles, what happens to the articles? The articles change and they become to dative. Yeah, dem, and der. Aufgabe Nummer 9. Question number 9. Aufgabe Nummer 9. Aufgabe Nummer 9. Welche Aufgabe? Which question? Welche is which? Welche Aufgabe? Which question? Yeah, welche Aufgabe? Which question? Welche is which? Jan trifft Leila. Jan trifft Leila. Jan meets Leila. Jan trifft Leila. Trifft comes out of treffen. And treffen means to meet. Treffen. 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 Jan meets Leila. Sehen Sie, look at the, and this an. Sehen an. Ansehen. Yeah, this verb is separable verb. It separates. And this is, the whole verb is called ansehen. Ansehen. Sehen Sie die Bilder an. Look at the pictures. Bilder are pictures. Bilder are pictures. Was passiert? What happens? Passiert is what is happening or what happens. Wie ist das in Ihrem Land? How is it in your country? In Ihrem Land is in your country. Okay, be careful with A. A is spoken as, A is spoken as A. Ergänzen Sie, extend please, or complete. So check the pictures, the Bilder, yeah. Schau die Bilder an, look at the pictures. Sehen Sie die Bilder an, look at the pictures. So this is with listening, yeah. Das ist ein Hund. This is a dog. Dog is called Hund. Maybe it has a name. So you will be listening and then you will figure it out. Okay, listening is already, I've told you, it's in the internet. Write Netzwerk 1. Hören. And then write down Aufgabe Nummer 9. And here, you see this sign? The sign here on the top. This means that the dogs are not allowed. You see, the dogs are not allowed. The dogs are not allowed. Hunde sind verboten. Hunde sind verboten. Hunde sind verboten. They are prohibited. Dogs are prohibited. So you see, Hunde verboten. It is written here. Hunde verboten. Hunde verboten. And now he is dreaming about his own food, and she is dreaming about her own food, and he is dreaming about her food, and they cannot go into the restaurant only because they are not allowed to go with the dog, of course. And number C, build number C. Here they are sitting in a cafe where they are allowed to take the dog with them. Yeah, Hunde sind erlaubt. Hunde sind erlaubt. Verboten, prohibited. Erlaubt, they are allowed. Hunde sind erlaubt. Hunde sind erlaubt. Dogs are allowed. Again, okay, with listening, yeah, you have to listen to this. This is Aufgabe 10a. Aufgabe 10a, die Bestellung. Die Bestellung is the order. Bestellung is the order. Hören Sie das Gespräch. Listen to the discussion. Learn this word. Yeah, this is important word. Gespräch. Gespräch is discussion. Was bestellen Jan und Leila? Kreuzen Sie an. Put a cross. Apfelschorle. Apfelschorle is a mineral water with gas, CO2, and with apple juice. Apfelsaft is apple juice. Cola is Coca-Cola. Wasser, water. Salat mit Käse. Käse is cheese. Pizza mit Gemüse. Pizza, and mit is with. This is again a preposition. Learn this, please. Preposition. Gemüse is very important word. Gemüse is vegetables. Very important word. This comes in every level of German language exams. Be careful. Gemüse. And Früchte are fruits. Früchte. And U-Umlaut. This is U-Umlaut. Okay, O-Umlaut, U-Umlaut, and A-Umlaut. This is Ö, Ü, E or A. Ö, Ö, Ü, E or A. Learn this, please. Früchte, Gemüse. Again, listening. Personalpronomen im Akkusativ. Accusative is direct object. What happens is there are three articles. Der, das, and die. In accusative, if you are speaking about a direct object, then what happens to this article masculine? This changes into der. Der will change into den, and thus will remain the same, and die will remain the same. You can watch Anya, Anya's videos about accusative. Okay, this is all grammar. So you can watch two or three videos, then you can learn this. It's very easy. Personalpronomen im Akkusativ. Hören Sie noch einmal. Listen one more time. Hören Sie noch einmal. Listen. Noch einmal will be everywhere. You will see this. These two words at many places. Learn this, please. Noch einmal means one more time. Hören Sie noch einmal einen Teil des Gesprächs. Einen Teil, a part. Teil is a part. Hol Wasser. Gespräch aus 10a. They say that just listen to a part of the discussion. Und dann ergänzen Sie. Extend. So you have to extend or complete these, yeah? So what do you have to put in the blanks? These ones. These are the personal pronouns. Yeah, the other kind of personal pronouns. These are accusative personal pronouns. Okay, the normal ones are these. Ich, du, er, sie. Yeah, these are the normal ones. And the accusative personal pronouns are these ones. Yeah, ich will be with mich, du, dich, er, ihn, es, sie, wir, uns, ihr, euch, sie. I hope you have already learned these personal pronouns, so you have understood them now. Für mich bitte. Für mich bitte. For me, please. Me, you, him, it, her. Okay, this is her. Us. Euch is you all. Euch is you all. For all of you or both of you or you all. And this is for them. This is again sie. This is them. And the last one is for you, formal. You formal. This is you formal. You must learn these pronouns very well. So, for me, for you, for him. Now we are putting them. Für mich. Für mich bitte einen Apfelschorle. When you will listen to this, then you can figure it out. If there are mistakes, then you can write them down on and change them. Yeah, I have already told you the meanings and how they change according to the personal pronouns. And this is accusative. Remember this. Be careful. So, and Leila. This Leila is sitting in front of this person. So it will be für dich, for you. Für mich bitte. Remember that they are sitting in a restaurant. Was möchten Sie trinken? This is being asked by a waiter, a restaurant waiter, the service. And now you are saying, für mich bitte, for me please, Apfelsaftschorle. Und für dich, Leila, what do you want? Ich lade dich ein. I invite you. Einladen. Very, very important word. Yeah, it's a very important verb. Einladen. I've already taught you this. Yeah, ich lade dich ein. Du lädst mich ein. Sie lädt uns ein. Yeah, ich lade dich. Du lädst uns. Yeah, you can change vice versa. Einladen. And this is a separable verb. Ein prefix goes at the end. This ein prefix goes at the end. End of the sentence. Einladen, to invite, to invite. Einladen, to invite. Very important for A1, A2, and all of the this is base, na? So for all levels it's very important word. Oh danke, oh danke, bitte eine Cola, please a cola. Yeah, bitte, you have tried to use it a lot in Germany. When you reach in Germany, try to use this please word. Yeah, it's important. Bitte means please, so use it as often as possible. Und was möchten Sie essen? And what do you want to eat? Für mich bitte einen Salat mit Käse. Für mich. Again, mich. This is a capital Z. That means, again, formal you. So, what do you want to order, please? For me, please, a salad with cheese. Yeah, der Salat, der Käse. An indefinite article will be einen. Yeah, ein will change into einen. Der will change into den, as I have told you above. The articles change. Gern. Gern means yes, I would like to serve you. Yeah, gern. Also, this you have to use a lot in Germany and also in your exam. Yeah, please remember this. Gern is very important. Okay, whatever I'm telling you, learn these. Und für. Now, here you have to listen, yeah? I don't know. Für sie, für ihn. Maybe it's für ihn or für sie. Yeah, for her, for him. Yeah, maybe this is ihn and this is sie. Ihn is him and sie is she. And there's another z. There's another z. This means they. So they will become them in accusative. So there are quasi drei z's. There are three z's. You see here? Three different z's. One z is her, one z is them, and one z is you formal. You formal. So just listen to this and just fix these, yeah? So Gemüse, I've already told you, it's vegetables. Können Sie auch Wasser für den Hund bringen? Could you also please water for the dog? Yeah, bringen is to bring. Ja, natürlich. Why there is ja? Because of this modal verb. Modal verb is in the starting point of the sentence. Können Sie auch Wasser für den Hund bringen? Could you please also bring water? Water for the dog, please. Ja, natürlich. Ich bringe gleich Wasser für den Hund. Für den Hund. Der Hund will change into den Hund. So I hope you have understood. Okay, this is a game and I'll just explain you. Für wen ist was? For whom is what? Whom. Wen is whom. Wen means whom. And this is accusative because of fear. Fear is an accusative word, yeah? So, für wen. And dative wen will be wem. Also, this will be coming in the other chapters. Wem. Okay. For example, wem gehört das Auto? Whom does this car belong? Wem. Wem gehört. Gehört means belong. And this is a verb which comes with the dative. So, wem and wen. Whom. Both of them are whom. Für wen is was. For whom is what. Okay. Spielen Sie zu zweit. Zu zweit will be coming at many places. This means two people. Zu zweit. Yeah. Play with two. Also play with two people. Yeah. This game. Jeder würfelt. Würfelt means to throw this dice. Yeah. And this is called würfeln. And then some number comes. No? Zweimal, two times. Einmal, one times. Dreimal, three times. Viermal, four times. Fünfmal, five times. Zehnmal, 10 times. Okay, mal is how many times, for example? Das erste Mal, the first time. Das erste Mal für das Essen. For the first time, you will throw it for the food. Getränke. For food and drinks, you will throw it for the first time. And whatever number comes here, you see the numbers are given, then you will get these items. Yeah, der Apfelsaft, and this is if one comes. Der Kuchen if two comes. Der Kaffee if three comes. Die Suppe. Kuchen is cake. Suppe is soup. Wasser is water. And the pizza is pizza. Der Kaffee ist für euch. The coffee is for you. Yeah, and then you will make sentences with the help of these personal pronouns im Akkusativ. Okay. So here we stop and then we'll make a new video. Okay. So do you have any questions till now? Till page 68?
No, sir.
Okay, very nice.